So very big congratulations to all the subtitle winners. We're now moving ahead with time and the moments that we are all waiting for. Is everyone ready? Yes. All the contestants are ready? Yes. Audience, are you ready? What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? Number 9? Where is number 9? What are we waiting for? Right, we're waiting for the results.
All the best, everybody, as in next few minutes we're gonna find out who is our Miss Meghalaya 2023.
We have the results here. It is ready. So we humbly request all the top 5 contestants to kindly step forward. Yes. Okay. Yes. All right. Ready? Keep smiling. Okay. Now we will start with the second runners-up. To crown and to felicitate the second runner-up, we humbly request and we would like to welcome on stage our reigning queen, second runner-up, Miss Meghalaya 2022. I am sorry. We would like to welcome on stage Ma'am Rochelle Mitsin-Walang to crown the second runner-up for Miss Meghalaya 2023. Ma'am Rochelle? Yes. We would also like to invite on stage Sir Brian Walang. Sir Brian Walang will also be giving away the check. So, are we ready? Yes? Any guesses? Second runner-up, Miss Meghalaya 2023. Louder. So the second runner-up, Miss Meghalaya 2023, goes to contestant number
16, Sunny Jai Jai. Yes, that's you. So Brian, can we please have you on stage along with the check?
Sir Brian, are you anywhere around?
Come on, audience. She's your second runners-up, Miss Meghalaya 2023. $25,000 goes to second runners-up. Congratulations. Thank you, Ma'am Rochelle. Thank you.
Stand there. First runner-up, Miss Meghalaya 2023. To crown and to sash the first runner-up, we would like to invite on stage Miss Jessica Olivet Karluki. She was Miss Meghalaya first runner-up 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all give her a warm round of applause.
Dada, can we have some soft music in the background, please?
And the winner for the first runner-up, Miss Meghalaya 2023, goes to contestant number... Louder. Contestant number 13, Miss Larisika. Miss Lamekar. A very big congratulations. We humbly request the remaining 3 contestants, if you can please move towards that side. Yes, closer to each other. Yes, please move. Yes, to that side. Yes. Right. Okay.
All right. All right. Yes. All right. Before we crown the new Miss Meghalaya 2023, let us give a moment to our reigning Miss Meghalaya 2022 with her final work. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Irene Dakar. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me an immense joy to announce the winner of Miss Meghalaya 2023, and she is Stella!
Contestant number 10, Miss Stella Khongsngi.
Stella, our new Miss Meghalaya 2023! Congratulations, Stella, the new Miss Meghalaya 2023!
We would also like to invite on stage the winners of Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023. We humbly request the winners of Miss Teen to kindly come on stage.
Audience, these are your winners of 2023. Miss Teen winners and Miss Meghalaya.
Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in a robe. I look too good to be alone. My house clean, my pool warm, just shake smooth like a newborn. We should be dancing, romancing in the east wing and the west wing of this mansion. What's happening? I ain't playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. So if you're trying to lay these arms.
So once again, ladies and gentlemen, your winners for Miss Meghalaya. Thank you so much. All of you audience, thank you so much for being here. This means a lot to all the contestants. Thank you so much to all the sponsors. Thank you so much for making this event possible. Thank you to the lights. Thank you to the sound. And thank you to everyone who has made this day possible. Thank you so much.